Hello, I'm Elita Tafanajwa. I'm from Pekalongan University Bachelor of Pharmacy Study Program. Pharmaceutical Industry. Industry pharmacy is a branch of pharmaceutical science that studies drug manufacturing technology in the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical industry discovers, develops, produces, and markets drugs or pharmaceutical drugs for use as medication to be administered or self-administered to patients, with the aim to cure them, vaccinate or alleviate the symptoms. Pharmaceutical companies may deal in generic or brand medication and medical devices. They are subject to a variety of laws and regulations that governs the patenting, testing, safety, efficacy, and marketing of drugs. The role of the pharmaceutical industry. 1. Guarantee and improve public health by producing drugs to treat various diseases, minimize health risks, and guarantee health service. 2. A very active player in the leading Business global brand evolution. 3. Very complex, dynamic, and globally conditions with the characteristics of very high R&D customers, very strict regulation compared to other industries. With the harmonization of the Asian pharmaceutical regulation in 2008 gave birth to a single Asian pharmaceutical products will expand in and out among ASEAN countries without any barriers, both barriers and non-tariff barriers. Types of pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical industry researches, develops, and manufactures thousands of medications for a variety of diseases and health conditions. Work prospect of industrial pharmaceutical departments. Pharmacists who work in industry are usually supervisors of staff. As a supervisor, you automatically have subordinates, so the ability to lead and make decisions is very important. Pharmacists at KC do not only deal with the technical side. There are many non-technical things that must be faced. Other place, KC pharmacists, HPLC analysis, troubleshooting. Where do you want to work? You can work at 1. Drug industry, 2. Traditional medicine industry, 3. Cosmetic industry. Pharmaceutical wholesaler as a word. 1. GL staff, 2. KC staff, 3. Production operators, 4. Production staff, 5. Marketing staff, 6. Medical representative or midref. 7. Difference between industrial pharmacy and clinical pharmacy. 1. Pharmaceutical industry is industrial scale. Clinical pharmacies focus on health service. 2. Mastery of industrial pharmacies is more in chemistry, while clinical pharmacies is more in medicine. 3. Industrial pharmacies working in factories or companies, clinical pharmacies in health facility. 4. Industrial pharmacies work in industrial while clinical pharmacies work in clinics. Usually these industrial pharmacies leads more pharmaceutical laboratory projects in factories, and clinical pharmacies mostly in hospitals or clinics. 5. Industrial pharmacies is only a provider of ingredients and does not interact directly with patients, while clinical pharmacy interacts directly with patients. 6. Industrial pharmacies is focused on manufacturing and clinical pharmacy on service science. 7. Pharmaceutical industry might promise higher income than those in service.